Tesla driver from 2018 crash was had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. IIT-Kharagpur students build home-rechargeable three-wheeler. A team of students and professors at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur has built Deshla, an electric three-wheeler that can be charged at home. 3-year research and development for building the vehicle was led by mechanical engineering Professor Vikranth Racherla. Deshla can run at a speed of up to 50 kmph and is more stable and jerk-free on roads. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along the highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Maruti. Tata Motors urge parts suppliers to target zero defects. Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors have urged auto component manufacturers to build capabilities by investing in research and development, R&D, and ensure zero-defect products. Quality deserves much greater attention from the top management at the suppliers, Maruti Suzuki CEO Kenichi Ayukawa said. Tata Motors CEO Genta Butchek asked suppliers to take the ongoing crisis as a fitness project. Ashok Leyland plans to see non-working days in September. Midweek demand. Ashok Leyland on Monday announced non-working days at its various manufacturing facilities during September 2019 following continued weak demand for its products. Last month, TVS Group, Sundaram Clayton, Maruti Suzuki and Hero Motocorp had announced a suspension of production at their facilities. Tata Motors and Mahindra also said they're suspending manufacturing amid weak demand.